Hey everybody, gonna do something a little different today. Gonna not be running the Trailblazer, gonna run my brother Dustin, Tow Truck Dustin, on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, all the socials. Gonna be out testing his Mustang for the first time. We ended up hurting the transmission back in, was it August at a Streetcar Takeover in Dallas. So got the trans built, put back in, and haven't got a test the rear end or anything in it yet. Got a we switched from a slick to a radial, and so today's gonna be the first time out testing all the new stuff. So we're going to see how it acts with all the new parts, and hopefully it does good. And we'll see y'all up at the start line. That was a good pass there. That's the first good pass that car's made. Wow. That was good to see.
It's 7-1 on the 8th at 102, 179 60 foot. It's been a while since I've rated. I don't remember what I was doing last time. I have to go back in my last couple times to see, compare that to last time. But it felt good. It didn't spin. I was kind of concerned about the tire pressure on that one. It hooked and ran, so it felt good the whole run. So I don't think we need to change any of the tire pressure or anything right now. But let it cool down, and we'll go run it again here in a minute.
Good pass. Looks like it got up on the tire a little bit on the second gear shift. We'll might adjust tire pressure a little bit, see if it'll we can get it to not do that.
Basically the same. It slowed down a little bit. 705 with a 176 60 foot, but only 101. But I rolled a little bit, so I think I tripped the beam a little bit.
Yeah, it'll yeah.
And it started. I don't think that's completely accurate, but another good run. It hooked, it ran. So
yeah, it looks like it got up on the tire a little bit on the second gear.
On the second gear hit, it did spin a little bit.
Yeah, well, it walked sideways.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Just take a little air out of it.
I'm thinking we might need to take a little bit of air out of it. Make another adjustment, and let it cool down, and get another run.
That's the same.
Picked up a 10th, and which I looked back. It went 7:05 last time at 1:01, and that was 5/10 faster than the first one. I thought it went slower for some reason, but it was actually a little bit faster. It went 1/10 more, but we picked up several miles an hour. But it's still not wanting to 60 foot. It's still 176. So I don't know why it's not 60 foot, because it's running. I need boost. I need boost
Yeah.
off the line.
That's all it'll hold on the brake? Just on the foot brake?
Yeah, it's not. Really,
That's not very much, huh?
It's like 2021, you know.
It may need to just sit there a little bit longer.
Yeah, but that time I tried to bump in for it and get into it.
Got a little grudge race set up with this 10-speed car right here, twin low mounts. So the car's been running a little bit quicker, but they've both been having some problems 60 foot. So we're gonna do a grudge race and see what happens. Good run there. Got the whole shot on him. Got him pretty bad out the gate. So that was a good run. Looked like he was running him down up top, which is kind of what we expected. The car to run a little quicker than we have been all night. But Dustin's car looked like it ran a lot better than that. Good lick. Hell yeah.
Got him on the whole shot.
Oh yeah, I got him pretty good on the whole shot.
Was he?
It looked like he was running you down.
Whenever we got on the shutdown area, he was right there.
Yeah, I would say on the big end, it looked like he was running you down hard.
You got me by a little bit.
That was a good run.
I got you by a whole shot. I knew that was the only chance I had.
Yeah.
Was if I had to get you on the whole shot.
Yeah, because at the halfway I jumped and I almost caught
Yeah,
you.
no, I knew you was right there.
Oh yeah, no, from I could see it from the starting line, like you were coming.
Yeah, no,
so
I knew you were faster, so I knew I had to get you on the tree.
I was gonna hit the scramble bump.
Like I'm gonna do it.
what? How much? What's on the scramble?
Like 20 pounds.
Like 20 pounds. Oh shit! So it'll.
Just
You're
enough.
like, wow, it'll get it.
Yeah, but that was a pretty close race.
That
I
was
was
a good-
like
that was a
almost
good
catching
run.
up.
That was a good
Yeah,
one.
that was a good lick. Yep.
Heck yeah, it's running good.
Got my buddy Jose with Shoot Muscle Racing coming up in his Trailblazer. Bullied him into signing his truck up. So what about?
Man, that could have been my 750 pass right there.
They look good.
At the end, it did that. Like, yeah.
I can see it puffing at on the big end.
766.
Yeah, good. Good. See, it looked like it left good.
Yeah.
766, 87. Yeah, it lost.
Little. That was the biggest. Or the.
Just like on the 2-3 shift.
Yeah, it just went real bad. Like I pressed the brake and then it went again. Like,
Yeah.
It felt good. It pushed me back.
I may need to shorten that that shift a little bit.
That's what it might be, huh?
Just because it's not. I mean, it's on like. It's probably a little bit much for that transmission. That transmission is probably starting to go, and it's commanding it too late, and it's not making the shift in time for it to really get to the rev limiter. But no, it's not bad. Pretty cool. The rear engine PT Cruiser is just an exhibition car. Something different, something you don't see all the time. That wasn't good. Hopefully it did not bust the oil pan and put the oil down. Let's hope for that, because it's already a little after 9. It's like 9:10, 9:15, and
that would end the night.
That would probably end the night right there, if that's the case. They're checking the track right now. we stalled that one up a little bit. We got a little more on it, and we're gonna wait for this bridge race, but it looks like it did way better on that one. I'm interested to see what it ran. But that looked way better, night and day difference. So we're gonna hang up here and see this grudge race real quick. Not a grudge race, but I still want to see this C6. I'm glad we got in the lanes before that one. You would have broke it. But that's a stick shift part for you. They got really violent on the line. Oh,
that run definitely, that one did a lot better.
It looked a lot better.
It went 6, 9, 8. So we picked up, that's what, 7?
Almost a tenth. It's like 3/4 of a tenth, yeah.
105 still, so it's still trapping the same mile.
Well, 60 foot. What was a 60?
60 foot was 171.
171.
So it got a better 60, not much, but a little bit better 60. So that definitely helped.
It looked like it shifted sooner.
It also hit the tire a lot harder.
It looked like it hit it sooner.
Yeah, did it?
Yeah. I'll go back and compare videos.
I'll have to go back and look.
Because like normally it's like right after the 60 footish when it hit. It looked like this was like 40 foot. This is before the 60 foot when it hit the tire.
I mean, if it launched harder, I guess that would make sense that it would come in sooner. So, but no, it felt good. It pulled good the whole way on that one. So I'm happy with it. So.
Yep.
Not where it was, but it's a good start to the new setup. At least we know where we're at now. So.
Well, and like it hasn't made any good passes like since you changed wheel and tire setups. Like it was on the slick for a little while.
Yeah, when it was on the slick, I could not get traction. I couldn't have bought traction.
It hated life on the slick.
It did not like those by slicks. So that's why I went back to a radial and changed the rear end, the gears, the transmission since. So it's totally new setup. So I'm happy with it. I got to get more boost off the line. That's the main thing. The only way I can do that now is basically trans brake, 2-step or something. Yeah, oil pump gears and 2-step. Gotta do oil pump
start
gears
there.
And, that'd be a good start. So.
All right, we're gonna end it off there. It was a good night. Got some good slips. Made a bunch of really great passes on the car. It was good to see it finally running good. It plagued us with some problems for a while, so it was definitely nice to kind of get back to a good start. But we're gonna load this thing up and head home. We'll see you on the next one. If y'all would like, comment, subscribe, and be safe out there.